Just got the Milwaukee blower. It's the brushless M18, and it's actually exceeded my expectations. I do have a full set of Milwaukee tools at work, at my shop, but at home, as you can see, I'm primarily DeWalt. But I got this to review, so I got a chance to check it out. Charger's standard. If you have other Milwaukee tools, it's really no different. You can charge the bigger batteries as well as the smaller ones. This battery, even though it's M18, it's a high demand battery, so it's a lot bigger than the ones I have for my drills. Not too heavy, but same style. Everything's the same. If you've used them before, check. This one isn't charged. It's just straight out of the box. I haven't charged it yet, but it goes in easy. I mean, there's nothing to it. There it is. It's right in. I think it's balanced really well. The way the tools. I thought with the big battery hanging off the back that it just wouldn't feel right, but it actually does. It's got a trigger lock on the top here that you can pull it in and click it and leave it on, and you can either go, if you can see that, I got Brett Light's slow speed, the turtle, or to go fast like the rabbit. It came pretty much all assembled. The other thing you need to do is this plastic tube just slides right in and locks. Pretty simple. It's not too loud. I'll turn it on real quick. I don't want to blow too much dust around in the shop, but that's on. That was high. So I really like it. I'm gonna mostly use it for clearing off the sidewalks, after weed whacking around the house. And actually, if we get some of the light, real powdery snow that we've got, probably use that on the sidewalk as well. It works really well. So I really recommend this tool. And I would, if I didn't get this one sent to me to test, I was actually going to purchase one. And this review just reaffirms it's a good tool, and I recommend it.